Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, in this video, we are going to see this Printify article on how we can connect our Printify store to our WooCommerce store. And basically, the first thing would be is to disable the legacy REST API. And simply, you will need just to go to the WooCommerce, go to settings, and after that, we will be needing to go to advanced. And from here, we will find anything concerning the API. And from here, we will find the REST API. And simply, we can just go to the legacy API here, and we will need to disable the legacy REST API. So make sure it is disabled and you will click on Save Changes. After that, we will be needing to change our permalink settings. So the permalink settings would be here, and simply we go to Settings. After that, we go to the permalinks, and from here, make sure it is not plain. So you can choose day in name or month. Better have it as post name, since many other services would use the post name one, and basically you will need also to save changes after that, and then you will be needing just to connect your store to Printify. So basically in your Printify store you will find my products, and simply you will need just to go to add new store. So by clicking on adding new store, you will be able to be choosing WooCommerce, and after choosing WooCommerce, you will need to add your WooCommerce URL here. So you will need to click on connect, and after that, you will be able to start connecting your URL there. So as you can see, make sure that the store URL you enter precisely matches what is visible in your WordPress admin under settings general. So you can just see your domain name from there. And basically now you will need just to have the Printify plugin, and simply we can go here to the plugins, and we will need just to add Printify. I'm just going to click add new plugin, and from here I'm just going to type Printify, and we will find the Printify for WooCommerce. You add it in, that's it. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.